Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name's Sam and today we'll be sharing the top 5 trading mistakes you need to avoid to protect your capital and potentially have more success in maximizing your profits. Trading in financial markets can be highly rewarding, but it can also be accompanied by risks and potential pitfalls. Imagine setting sail without a map or compass. You're likely to get lost, right? The same goes for trading. Without proper preparation and awareness, you can quickly find yourself facing significant financial losses. Before delving deep into this video, we'd like to hear from you. Are you aware of some of your trading mistakes, and do you have your own trading journal to write them down? We'll wait for your comments. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything important. Let's get started. The first mistake is trading without a plan. Many traders enter the market without a well-defined plan, relying on gut feelings or unstructured strategies. A trading plan is a detailed guide that outlines your trading objectives, risk tolerance, market analysis, entry and exit points, and money management rules. Without a plan, traders are more likely to make impulsive decisions, fall prey to market emotions, and stray from a disciplined approach. This can lead to inconsistent results, increased losses, and a lack of direction. So it's important to have a comprehensive trading plan that includes specific goals, risk management techniques, and criteria for entering and exiting trades. You need to stick to it and regularly review and adjust it based on performance and changing market conditions. Next up is ignoring risk management. This is one of the quickest ways to exhaust your trading account. Risk management involves identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks, followed by coordinated efforts to minimize, monitor, and control the probability or impact of adverse events. In trading, this includes setting stop-loss orders, limiting the amount of capital per trade, and diversifying your portfolio. Ignoring risk management can lead to significant losses, sometimes wiping out entire trading accounts. Over-leveraging, failing to use stop-loss orders, and putting too much capital into a single trade are common pitfalls. But how do you avoid such a mistake? You can use stop-loss orders to automatically exit losing trades and protect your capital. Only risk a small percentage of your trading capital on any single trade, commonly 1 to 2%, and diversify your trades across different assets and markets to spread risk. The third mistake is overtrading. This is when traders take too many positions, often driven by the desire to make quick profits or recover losses, or simply due to overconfidence. This can be both in terms of frequency and the volume of trades. Why is this a mistake? Overtrading increases transaction costs, exposes you to higher market risk, and often results in poor decision-making due to fatigue or emotional stress. It can quickly deteriorate profits and lead to significant losses. Avoiding impulsive trades, setting specific criteria for entering and exiting trades, and not deviating from them, as well as taking breaks and avoiding trading when emotionally stressed or fatigued, are some ways to avoid making this mistake. Failing to stay informed is another mistake you must try to not make. Financial markets are influenced by many factors, including economic indicators, political events, and corporate earnings. Being unaware of market trends and news can result in poor timing of trades, unanticipated market moves, and reliance on outdated information. This can lead to trading decisions that are not ideal and increase risk. To stay on top of the game, regularly follow financial news, market analysis, and economic reports. Use reliable sources of information and tools to stay updated and adjust your trading strategies based on current market conditions and trends. Our final mistake is letting emotions drive your trading decisions. Trading based on emotions such as fear, greed, or hope, rather than logical analysis, can lead to irrational decision-making. Emotional trading often results in chasing the market, panic selling, or holding on to losing positions too long. It undermines discipline and can lead to significant financial losses. Fear may cause you to exit positions prematurely, while greed can lead to over-leveraging and taking unnecessary risks. Now, to prevent becoming a victim of your own emotions when trading, you can use predefined entry and exit points to remove emotional influence from trading decisions. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques to maintain emotional balance, and consider using automated trading systems or alerts to help mitigate emotional bias. Alright, let's summarize what we've learned in this video. Trading without a plan. Avoid entering the market without a clear strategy to prevent impulsive decisions and inconsistent results. Ignoring risk management. Always use stop-loss orders and diversify your trades to protect against significant losses. Overtrading. Limit the number and size of trades to avoid increased costs and unnecessary risks. Failing to stay informed. Stay updated with market trends and economic news to make informed trading decisions. Letting emotions drive decisions. Manage emotions like fear and greed with a disciplined trading strategy to avoid irrational choices and financial losses. These were, in our opinion, the top 5 trading mistakes every trader should avoid, but the importance of these mistakes can vary depending on the individual trader's strategy, experience, and the specific markets they are involved in. As always, stay informed, manage your risk, and trade responsibly. If you found this information valuable, do feel free to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, drop them down below. Well, here's 2 more videos you might like. I'll see you next time.